So, slight technical difficulty recording the repair of the garage door. What happened was we needed all four hands, and there was no room to get a camera up there. We're still working on getting better at videotaping some things. I'm going to put a link to the video I used. A really great guy on YouTube named Garage Door Genius on YouTube has a great video, garage door cable off easy. I'm going to put a link to that down in the description. It took us all of 10 minutes after we got that, after we got the mess out of the corner. Which brings a whole nother project of going through and reorganizing some of the tools today. So that's where we're at. It's fixed. There's a before and after. I'm going to put it in the video right here. And as always, if you're enjoying this series or you would like to continue learning to save money by doing small home repairs yourself, please subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, like this video. I know this one's a little different in that we've only got befores and afters, but I really think this is an important topic to share. The video linked below tells you everything you need to know. If your cable has slipped off and looks like this, 5-minute repair and it can look like this. If I can do it, so can you.